Graduation season is here, and chances are you've taken a lot of photos already. Photos with your classmates, photos with your family, photos after the ceremony. And maybe you're even putting together a graduation yearbook, photo album, or memory book for your class. The problem is that some of the best photos aren't always perfect. Maybe someone walked into the background. Maybe there's a backpack on the floor. Or maybe there's a random object distracting from an otherwise great shot. Luckily, you don't necessarily need to throw those photos away. And if you're creating a graduation yearbook, you can even generate additional images to help fill out pages and create custom designs. And that's exactly what I'll show you in this video using the UniConverter. So for this, download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com, and let's start with cleaning up our graduation photos. Open the Image Watermark Remover tool. Despite the name, it can also be used to remove any unwanted objects from photos. It supports batch processing for a faster workflow. On the right side, you can choose between manual and auto selection. I'll choose manual selection. Then you can choose a brush size, and then carefully draw over the unwanted objects or elements. This you will have to do on each photos, and then super easily choose an output folder and click on Remove and Export. Alright, let's look at some results. These are the photos with the unwanted objects. And these are without. As you can see, the distracting objects are gone and the photos look much cleaner. Now let's say you're creating a graduation yearbook or photo album and need some extra visuals. Maybe you want a custom graduation themed background, a page divider, a class memory page, or some decorative images to help complete the design. For this task, open the Image Generator AI. Now import your first photo. Then you have two ways to go about this. You can either choose a template from the graduation section, or you can also modify the template prompt, or even write your own prompt according to your taste. So just describe the image you'd like to create and choose your preferred style and settings. I think generally it's best to use the image's original aspect ratio and export it in the highest quality possible. So now just click on Generate. Once the image is generated, you can download it and use it in your yearbook layout or graduation project. This can be a great way to create personalized visuals without spending hours searching for the right images. That's it. With just a few tools, you can clean up graduation photos, remove distractions, and even create custom images to help build a more polished graduation yearbook. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. And if it was, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.